ukuze le ndoda esisikhwala ikwazi ukuthi ndiyabonwa bayinikeza the right baqale ukuthi mfondini sijonge ngoku bathi take the right hand not the left. Isimanga. Imagine the kind of black brotherhood we can create. Singamadodana, when we stop giving each other left hand because andinamali, andinampangelo, but you give me the right hand and say, my brother, I see. My brother, lento kuyo is not the end. I see that namhlanje usisikhala, but I don't see isikhala. I see igorha kuwe, the giant. I give you not only my eye contact, but I also give you the right hand. They give him the right hand. Then the story gets even more interesting. And then emva koko athi uLuka bamphakamisa. The only time you look down upon a man is when you lift him up. But emva koko le ndoda esisikhwala kusukela esizalweni sikanina bathi kuyo phakama ndoda. Dear black man, phakama ndoda. Imagine ithuba esinalo njengamadoda nasewisili uba sikwazi ukuhlala apha izinsuku eziningi kangaka ukuhlala kwethu akukona nje unkulu noyana kuphela kodwa DDSR ukuhlangana kwethu lapha masithi ayiphakama indoda emnyama from being isikhwala. Phakama ndoda emnyama. Ukuzineliswa indoda esweleyo engenayo ubuhlanti ifumana ubuhlanti because when black brothers in Christ meet mayiphakama indoda esisikhwala. Oh, my love for a black man. Asikwazi ukudibana apha indoda esingena ihlele etempelini esangweni elihle isisikhwala siphinde siphume sishisa hleze esangweni icela amalizo. Asikwazi ukuba nendodana emanyanweni iminyaka ayiphangeli kanti luphi umanyano iphi indoda ezothi dear black brother phakama I give you my hand. Ndikunikeze isandla so lethi uthi lo mbhalo uLuka kwasuka kwaqina masinyane amaqakala ayo iBhayibheli esizulisho amaqatha aqina because xa indoda emnyama inikezwe isandla enye indoda emnyama ukuthi mayiphakame kuqina the ankles zamaqakala. Dude, DDSR, our ministry, makube ministry enikeza amehlo eye contact enikeza isandla ephakamisa indoda ukuthi amaqatha ayo akwazi uqina ime qinqo indoda emnyama. What's the point? Yokuba nomanyano kodwa phakathi emanyaneni kukho izikhwala. Kukho abanento kukho laba abanento babukela phansi abangenanto. But those who have the responsibility of an eye contact, of a right hand, nokuphakamisa kuqina amaqatha iphakame indoda emnyama. That is the reason why sihamba umanyano. Senzela ukuthi indoda emnyama ehlele sisikhwala sasethaveni. Masifika sithi kuyona inyawo zakho ziyahamba amaqatha akho aqinile but the problem yokuthi izinyawo zakho azibheke ekhondweni eliyavusa ikhaya lakho zibhizi errands. Because kafika amadodana afuna indoda emnyama ukuthi amaqatha ayo mawaqine iphume emashibhini iphume errands aqina amaqatha ithi mangasoneki kwasimlandeli kwasekhondweni mayindoda emnyama iqina. Asizukudinga ukubona athi thina we need a banner to say stop gender based violence because imindoda iqinelwe ngamaqatha angeke aqina amaqatha ukuthi ikwazi ukushaya inkosikazi ukuba ikwazi ukushaya abantwana kodwa indoda emnyama mayiqinelwa ngamaqatha ithi amaqatha aqinile mandihambe ndiyocelengela abantwana bami because indoda edimene namadoda kaKristu ayaqina amaqatha ikhondo layo libheke bomini ayiphakame indoda emnyama. I want to challenge us, myself included, that our DDSR projects, our treasurer's budget, it cannot be spent on imihlangano, nengqungquthela, ne-trial, kodwa sinamadoda apha sisikhwala angaphangeliyo. Where is the money of the black man going? It goes to fly those who can afford to fly, respectfully. Ubhele can afford his own flight. Izikhwala futhi kube zize zithwala laba banawo amandla ukuthi bazenzele izinto through imihumo. We need a review, treasurer. How much of our money goes back ukuthi ezamakoma kumadodana mayiphili indoda emnyama amaqatha aqine? Because indoda engenayo imali izwila yalivakala ingqamo. Asenze icebo nako ukuba amaqatha endoda emnyama aqine. Dear black men, rise. Imilimandlela yendoda emnyama eyokuxhasa indoda engenanto. Emva kokungahamba uzingombe isifuba kodwa uthi mntakwethu andinika amalizo ezamaqola. Uyothi xa wakulungela uyibuyise kodwa ubuhlanti buphile kokwenu. That is the call yamadoda. I want to locate the black men in the socio-economic politics today. Why is Namadoda who can read and write? But we have professors amongst us.
Hi, man. Hi, man. Hi, man.
If the ANC, through its underground operations, yakwazi ukuthatha the likes of Jacob Zuma, yabafaka into informal education, yabafundisa ukubhala, yabafundisa ukufunda, why thina sinomanyano oluhlala iminyaka namadodana azisikhwala because they can't read and write, but sikhona sicula unoyana every Sunday. Dear black men, dear black men, mangehleke ngelithi bayinikeza isandla bathi kuyona phakama. Yaphakama indoda emnyama yakwazi ukuma for the first time, yakwazi ukuma kugeneral wamadodana ithi njengendodana ehumileyo.
Kene kolmanyano lethu
njengendodana ehumileyo andihumanga ngemali yamalizo kodwa ndanikezwe isandla ndaphakama ngoku ndihume ngamandla nokubila kwebunzi lami. Iphakame itsho kuvokotheke kwi-general meeting yamadodana because ifumane someone who gave a hand. Yaphakama indoda emnyama. What's the point yomanyano if indoda emnyama will remain isikhwala? What's the point? What's the point of your budget, my brother? What's the point of the DDSR project if asiphakamisi indoda emnyama? There's a fine line between ukuphakamisa indoda emnyama nokuyinikeza amalizo. Because ukunikeza amalizo kunendawana wena ngathi kuba ngathi senze kahle, we feel good about ourselves. Nangomso siphinde sigqithe sikunikeza amalizo. But the reading of Acts chapter 3 ithi indoda emnyama mayinganikwa amalizo kodwa mayinikezwe isandla iphakanyiswa qina amaqatha ikwazi ukuzimela ibe indoda ngokwayo. Hayi andifuni ninginika amalizo because emva koko ndiza kufuna ukungitshela uba how I must run umzi wami because ndondliwa nini kaloku. Sunginika amalizo. But create an environment for me to be able to have my ankles strengthened so that I can be able to stand. Then I can be able to run the affairs of my household the way I see them fit. Because he who pays the pianist chooses the music. Yaphakama ke le ndoda. Yathi mayiphakama le ndoda uthi uLuka yabonakala ijambajamba. Yatsiba for the first time ebomini bakhe. Yatsiba le ndoda isimanga. Ndandikhululwe nguwe ekhamandela lam laliqhawulwe nguwe elanginqamsayo. Suddenly le ndoda ikwazi ukutsiba njengamanye amadoda avuma unoyana because inikezwe isandla. Bathi abantu basetempelini akusiyona nale ndoda ebihlala apha icela amalizo. After yokuba le ndoda ikwazi ukutsiba isizimele uthi uLuka yangena etempelini. Suddenly yangena endumisweni. But allow me not to speak about ukungena etempelini as a spiritual exercise. Angithi bingasebenzi. Angithi biyiphathe lama steps 18 million yama South Africans afumana grant. Emva kokuba idibene nomanye namadodana yanikwa isandla yakwazi amaqatha uqina. Isingena in the world of the economy. Ingena etempelini. Suddenly namnginophezana. Ingena etempelini ingena la ekwazi khona nayo to contribute to the economy. There is one less man on the statistics. Isukile kule status amadodana angaphangeliyo, amadodana angathathi intweni, yangena etempelini kumadodana athi hayi mina ndinayo imali yomrhumo. Kunjanje oku ndingakwazi ukuthi ndithi khatha ukuncedisa abanye bawo abangenawo amandla. If umanyano lwethu lwamadodana does not reduce the number of the unemployed black men, then umanyano lwamadodana is useless. I don't want to be a part of it. Amadodana mawangene etempelini because ayakwazi ukutsiba-tsiba. Ukungena etempelini kuzoba yindodana ezothi finally I now belong to the economy of this country. Andisacela amalizo kodwa ngoku ndikwazi to provide my own bread. Yangena etempelini indumiso yevakala ngokutsha because we sing differently xa sikwazi to buy our own bread. Because siphi isidima sendoda emnyama engakwazi ukuthenga isonka nokuthengela abantwana bayo impahla zokwembatha. Dear black man, by the gate of the temple, there is a crippled black man. Ehleli kwisango ekuthiwa lihle. Isango lihle kodwa kukho isiqhwala. Bebenika le ndoda amalizo qho. Kodwa namhlanje kuthiwa mawavalwa amalizo. Izikhwala mazibonwe. See the crippled brother emanyaneni. Don't look. See. Give them a hand. Our budget must give a hand. If a budget yethu to give a hand, then we are nothing, no different to the circus yase parliament. We are pro-poor in speech, never in practice. President, how much of our money goes back to the black men? I leave this question with us, and I hope it disturbs us at night. I hope that it makes us not to sleep at night until we answer the question in a way that is life-giving to the crippled beggar by the gate of the beautiful Manyano called Umanyano Lamadodana, or Christ.